Gail Gramlich, and I'm at the Chocolate Bar in Reno, Nevada. Today I'm here to show you how to make wonderful cocktails for dinner parties. Today I'm going to do the pomegranate mojito, which is an actual featured drink here at the Chocolate Bar. First thing we're going to do is put some limes into the glass. I'm going to do 3 today because they're little. I'm going to put some fresh mint. I like it to be really minty myself. And a splash of pomegranate juice. And then just muddle it down. Muddle, muddle, muddle. Okay, I think that's good. Then we're gonna add ice. And do 1.5 ounces of pomegranate vodka. And then just fill it to the top with soda. Now you want to mix this up. So throw the whole mixture into the tin. With a little bit of force to get the stuff coming down from the bottom. And then when you shake it, just know that you have to shake it like 2 or 3 times because there's soda in here and there's carbonation. So 2 or 3 times is good just to get it mixed up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then back in the glass. Beautiful. Garnish with a lime. Maybe a little bit of mint on top. That's pretty. And that is the pomegranate mojito, which is a featured drink here at the Chocolate Bar in downtown Reno, Nevada. I'm Gail Gramlich. Come visit us.